We are thrilled to showcase the transformative programs under the College of Business at Midway Colleges. Today, we will explore the innovative courses shaping future leaders and experts in the fields of customs administration and technical vocational education and their on-the-job training. Welcome to the Bachelor of Science in Customs Administration, where global trade meets expertise. Here, future customs brokers and trade specialists are trained with a strong foundation in laws, procedures, and international trade. From tariff and customs laws to logistics and supply chain management, students gain theoretical knowledge vital for the industry. Simulation exercises prepare students for real-world challenges, enhancing critical thinking and decision-making. They were exposed to several activities which equip them to the application of knowledge in real-life scenarios. Beyond academic preparations, the students join workshops and trainings to understand policy changes, industry expectation and global trade updates. Midway Colleges continuously shows its support for the students by ensuring their safety and welfare through offering free accommodations at the Midway dormitory located in Manila and by personally visiting and inspecting the host training establishment. Classroom learning is just the beginning. During the on-the-job training program, students are immersed in actual customs operations, experiencing firsthand the flow of international trade. Working alongside seasoned officers taught the interns how important accuracy and integrity are in their line of work. Customs administration students bring fresh energy and dedication, crucial qualities for the evolving trade landscape. After years of rigorous learning and training in field exposure, our students are ready to take on the world as driven customs brokers and a trade facilitator fulfilled with excellence and integrity.
Be driven, be transformed, enroll